Unlock the cinematic prowess hidden within your Canon Eos T50D and effortlessly capture stunning video. First, power on your camera and rotate the mode dial to the video camera icon. This instantly prepares your camera for recording. Next, you'll see the live view on your camera's articulated screen. This is what your camera is currently seeing. For precise focusing, utilize the touchscreen. Simply tap on your subject on the screen, and the camera will automatically acquire focus. To adjust your video settings, press the Q button on the back of your camera. This brings up the quick control menu. Within this menu, you can select your desired frame rate, such as 20 frames per second for a cinematic look, or 30 frames per second for smoother motion. Below that, choose your resolution Full HD, or even 4K for incredible detail, though keep in mind 4K uses more storage. Once your settings are dialed in, simply press the red record button located near the shutter button to begin recording. To stop recording, press the red record button again. For stable footage, a tripod is highly recommended. To review your footage, press the playback button. You can then navigate through your clips using the directional pad. And there you have it. With these fundamental steps, you're ready to confidently capture high-quality video content with your Canon Eos T50D.